Hi, today we are going to make a grateful jar or a thankful jar. Things you will need are some pencils or markers, a pencil, pen, glue stick, scissors, a jar, a piece of ribbon and some paper. First, take your paper and cut some strips. When using scissors, be careful and ask an adult if you need help. Cut the strips roughly 1.5 centimetres wide and 10 centimetres long. You can use different colour paper, or you can colour the paper in yourself, even draw little pictures next to your words. Cut as many as you like, and you can keep these beside your jar for when you want to write the thing you are thankful for. You could use 2 different coloured pieces of paper if you like. Mix it up. Use as many colours as you'd like. Now you are ready to write your first thing you are thankful for and pop it in your jar. You can date it if you wish. Next we are going to make the label for the front of the jar. Use your lid to do this. Take your pencil and draw around the jar lid. Okay, so we're going to use our scissors again, so make sure you ask an adult for help if you need to. Cut around your circle, or if you'd like to draw a different shape, then do so. Try a heart-shaped label or even a star. I'd love to see what you create. Write on your label. You can write thankful or grateful, or you can call it grateful jar or thankful jar. Why not decorate it with colours? Use your markers or pencils. Get your glue stick and then stick it to the jar. Give it a little push down. Okay, now take your ribbon and tie it around the top of your jar. Move everything out of the way first. Wrap it round and then push it down a bit to make sure there's room for the lid to go back on. And tie it in a bow. Loop the bottom piece, swoop it over the top and pull it through. This should give you a perfect little bow. And there you have it, your jar. Enjoy writing some lovely things on those bits of paper and collect them throughout the year. You could try a different label, there's the heart-shaped one. Enjoy writing all these lovely things down and open it at the end of the year and read them all out. Share with family or friends and create some big smiles. We hope you have fun making it and creating it throughout the year. Thank you for watching.